4.
Subtract X.
Subtract X.
Or not X, 8. That's what I
8,
meant
good.
to say.
So let's subtract 8. So we have negative 3
X squared.
t squared
Stop.
plus 4t
X squared.
minus 8 equals 0.
I hate you so much. Okay.
Now we're going to solve for
I can't see your
T.
t. Our formula is up there. So we're going to go negative b. What's our b value here? 4. 4. So this is going to be
4. Negative 4.
negative 4 plus or minus b squared.
4 squared.
4 squared is
16.
Minus 4.
we moved it over there.
It's a negative. Negative 24.
Oh, it's a negative in the problem?
Negative 12.
Oh,
Come on.
Gotcha. Oh, I almost wrote on this
I
one.
said
that one.
2.
So this should be positive.
There'll be a negative.
So then we have minus
Plus.
4 times 8 times c. So 4 times negative 3 is negative 12. Negative 12 times 8 is
6.
negative 96.
Plus.
All over 2 times a
Negative 6.
negative 6. I'll stop here for a moment.
Come on, Mr. Nerd.
I got it.
Everybody okay with how we plug this in?
Sure. Yes,
Why?
I got it. In the phones.
So t equals negative 4 plus or minus the square root of
Oh, wow.
Isn't it plus?
yeah, what is 112
112.
over negative 6. Now we got to break 112 up. So 112. What's the perfect square that goes into 112?
Nothing.
4.
4. 4.
4 goes in there how many times? 28 times?
Yep.
But I know that 4 goes into 28 again. That goes in there
7.
7 times. So 112 is 4 times 4 times 7, but the square root of 4 is
4.
2. The square root of this 4 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Or you could say there's a square root of 4, square root of 4, and the answer is 4.
4. What? Okay.
So we have negative 4 plus or minus 4 square root of
7.
7 all over negative 6. Could you reduce that some?
No.
Yeah, because there is a 2 that goes into everything. So if we divide everything by 2, we'd have
But you can't do the. Yeah, why would you?
Not 7.
4, 4. Yeah, but that's a coefficient. Just like if this was 4 and 4x,
Okay.
you could reduce everything by 2. So this is negative 2 plus or minus 2 square root of 7 over negative 3. Now, granted, if you looked in the back of the book for this answer, for the exact one, they would probably have 2 plus or minus 2 square root of 7 over 3. And all that is a
No, because then there's
It's
negative on the top.
negative over a negative, so they just reduce that. And how else could we get that by doing that? Well, if it was me doing this problem, instead of adding the 8, I would have moved everything over to the right-hand side so that I'm always working with a positive a value. So I would have added 3t to both sides, subtracted 4t on both sides, and left that over there. So I'd add 0 equals 3t squared minus 4t minus 8. And you will get that same answer.
Why did they put like 2
Because there is a positive one and a negative one. What are the two answers? If you look at this, the two answers are, we'll use this one because that's what we got. Negative 2 plus 2 square root of 7 all over negative 3. That's one answer.
No, they have both of them.